Honorable Principal, respected teachers, esteemed guests, and my dear fellow students. Assalamu alaikum. Today, we gather here to celebrate a day that holds immense significance in the heart of every Pakistani, the 14th of August, our Independence Day. This is a day of joy, reflection, and gratitude as we honor the sacrifices of those who fought bravely for our freedom and laid the foundation of our beloved homeland, Pakistan. On this day, in 1947, the world witnessed the emergence of a new nation. Pakistan was born out of the dream of millions who yearned for a land where they could practice their faith freely, live with dignity, and shape their destiny. This dream was guided by the visionary leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and driven by the unparalleled efforts and sacrifices of countless men and women. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey that brought us here today. The struggle for independence was not just a political battle, it was a movement fueled by the hopes and dreams of those who desired a future filled with opportunities and prosperity. Our ancestors faced immense challenges, yet their resolve never wavered. They stood united under the banner of faith, discipline, and unity. In the words of Allama Iqbal, Iqbal is not discouraged by the barren land, for this soil can become fertile with just a little moisture. This couplet reminds us of the potential that lies within our nation, waiting to be harnessed with effort and determination. Today, as we stand united under the green and white flag of Pakistan, we have much to celebrate. Over the years, our nation has made remarkable strides in various fields. Our scientists have achieved excellence in technology, our athletes have made us proud on international platforms, and our artists have spread the colors of our culture across the globe. Pakistan's resilience in the face of adversity has been nothing short of extraordinary. Despite challenges, we have risen with determination, showcased our strength, and embraced progress. Consider our progress in areas like technology and education. In 2024, we have witnessed significant. Pakistan is emerging as a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. With thriving startups and tech companies, we are making our mark on the global stage. The youth of Pakistan are achieving remarkable feats in education, making us proud with their accomplishments in various disciplines. Yet, even as we celebrate, we must not forget the challenges that lie ahead. Our journey is far from over, and our nation still faces issues such as poverty, inequality, and terrorism. These challenges are not insurmountable but require collective effort and determination. In the words of Faz Ahmad Faz, we shall see, it is inevitable that we too shall see, the day that has been promised, that is inscribed on the eternal slate. Faz's poetry instills in us a sense of hope and resilience. We must believe in our ability to overcome obstacles and work together for a brighter future. My dear fellow citizens, today is a reminder of our responsibilities towards our nation. It is a call to action for each of us to contribute positively to Pakistan's growth and prosperity. Let us embrace unity, tolerance, and respect for diversity. Let us foster an environment where every citizen, regardless of caste, creed, or religion, can thrive and contribute to our shared vision of a prosperous Pakistan. As Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah once said, with faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. These words continue to inspire us to work diligently for our nation's progress. In conclusion, as we hoist our flag high and sing our national anthem, let us pledge to uphold the values that our nation was built upon. Let us remember the sacrifices of our forefathers and honor them by contributing to a Pakistan that embodies justice, equality, and opportunity for all. May Allah bless Pakistan with continued success, prosperity, and peace. Let us work hand in hand to build a future that reflects the dreams of those who gave us this land of the pure. Pakistan Zindabad.